Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Francis Restaurant. This is Edelyn Reyes speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hello, I would like to make a table reservation.
I'll happy to assist you with that. May I have your name, please?
My name is Marjo.
Thank you, Miss Marijo. When would you like to make the reservation?
Tomorrow, May 6 at 7 p.m.
For how many guests will come in the reservation?
Table for two.
Okay, what do you prefer, smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Do you have any special requests?
None.
Do you have any allergens?
None.
May I have your contact number and your address, please?
My contact number is 123456789 and my address is the Barty Road.
Noted. How would you like to settle your bill tomorrow? Cash or card?
Cash.
Thank you. Let me verify your reservation details. You reserve a table for two on May 6 at 7 p.m. in non-smoking area, and the reservation details is under the name Miss Marijo, and the contact number is 123456789, and the address is Sabarti Road. Is everything correct?
Yes.
Is anything else I can do for you?
No.
Thank you. Thank you for choosing Francis Restaurant. We look forward to see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.